In this guide, I'll show you how to download free games on your Nintendo Switch using the Nintendo eShop. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the bottom and open up the Nintendo eShop. You are going to have to go ahead and select a user, and all you need to do this is an internet connection. Now when the Nintendo eShop opens, we're going to go up to the top where the search browse option is, and then you want to scroll over to the right and go down to price range. This is the easiest way to find free games because we're not in a price range, we're free. So all you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see a selection of games as well as apps. And there's also a view more option just beneath it. So we're going to go down and click on that. Now that's going to open up all the free games and apps available on the Nintendo eShop. And from here, it's just a matter of selecting what you want to download for free. So in this example, I selected Rocket League, so we're going to wait for this to load. And you'll see the free option on the right side, so we're going to go ahead and select that. And it's going to ask us once more if we want to get this free download. So in the bottom right, you'll see free download, select it. And now if you go back to the home menu, you'll see your free game downloading.